Transform your videos by masterfully erasing unwanted text directly on your mobile device with Alight Motion. Let's dive into making that pesky text disappear first. Select the video clip in your timeline that has the text you want to remove. Now tap on the Add Effect button. This is where the magic happens. We'll start with masking. Search for and select the masking effect. You'll see different masking options appear. For most text, the rectangle or circle masks are your best bet. Let's go with the rectangle mask for this example. Carefully adjust the size and position of the mask to completely cover the text you want to hide. Make sure it's a snug fit. Now, critically, we need to animate this mask. If the text moves, move your playhead to the beginning of where the text appears. Tap the diamond-shaped keyframe button next to the mask position. Continue moving the playhead along your timeline and adjust the mask's position to precisely follow the text as it moves. Alight Motion will automatically create keyframes for each adjustment, ensuring a smooth tracking effect. For situations where masking isn't enough, or you need to blend the area more naturally, we can use the clone effect. Add a new layer by tapping the plus icon and choose Drawing Image. Duplicate your original video layer. Position this duplicate layer directly above the original. Now, select this top layer and go back to Add Effect. Search for and choose the clone effect. With the clone effect, you'll see a sampling area. Move this sampling area to a clean part of the background that looks similar to where the text is. This sampled area will then be used to cover the text. You can adjust the size and position of the clone sampling area to seamlessly replace the text. Pay attention to lighting and texture for the most natural look. For even more advanced blending, you can experiment with the layer blending options. Select a layer with the mask or clone effect applied. Tap on blending and opacity. Here, try different blending modes like difference or subtly adjust the opacity to make the edited area blend perfectly with the surrounding video. This helps to hide any imperfections. And there you have it. With a combination of masking, cloning, and careful blending, you can effectively remove unwanted text and enhance your video's visual appeal, all from your phone.